Hey, good morning, bird nerds. Hello to the new subscribers. Nice to see you. Hope you're getting plenty of birdie goodness, bird content in the channel. This is First Seen and Heard, my daily early bird report. It's Friday the 17th of February 2023. That was a crested pigeon taking off behind me. First heard this morning, rainbow lorikeets. It's a sticky, hot, warm morning. I don't think it's going to be a nice day. There's lots of lorikeets around at the moment. Magpies are here. First seen this morning was the invasive species, the common blackbird. They were up early, but they're nowhere to be seen now. I saw the sparrowhawk again this morning. That's 2 mornings in a row. Wasn't doing anything other than flying over. Anyway, great Friday. See you, bird nerds.